In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter records in Airtable so you can hide the data you don't need and focus only on what matters. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base you want to edit. This is the project or database that contains the information you're working with. Now, select the specific table that holds the records you need to organize. Tables are like individual spreadsheets within your base, so pick the one with the data you want to filter. Then, open the view where you'd like to hide certain records. Views are simply different ways of looking at the same table, and each one can have its own set of filters. At the top of your table, you'll see a toolbar. Click on the button that says Filter. A filter panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Click Add Condition to start building your rule. You'll first need to choose the field you want to use for filtering. This could be something like status, date, assigned to, or any other column in your table. Next, select a condition that matches the records you actually want to display. For example, if you only want to see tasks that are marked as complete, choose a condition like is and type complete. You can also use conditions like is not, contains, or greater than, depending on your field type. Configure the filter criteria so it matches exactly what you want to show. Here's the key thing to understand. Airtable does not delete any data when you apply a filter. It simply hides records that don't match your criteria from the current view. So if you've set up a filter to show only high-priority items, all your other records are still safely stored in the table. They're just not visible in this view. Take a moment to review the filtered results to make sure the correct records are visible. If something looks off, you can edit the filter at any time by clicking on it and adjusting the condition or value. To remove the filter entirely, just click the X or clear the condition, and all your hidden records will reappear. One of the best parts is that Airtable saves your view settings automatically, so the next time you open this view, your filter will still be in place. As a pro tip, consider creating separate views with different filters for different teams or workflows. For example, you could have a view for your development team that shows only bugs, and another for your marketing team that shows only campaigns. Using fields like status, date, or checkbox makes filtering much easier because they provide clear, binary options. And remember, hidden records remain accessible in other views unless those views have similar filters applied. You've now successfully set up a filter to hide records in Airtable, keeping your data organized and your focus sharp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.